In this video, I'm going to show you how to download Castle app and desktop. Now all you need to do is to type in Castle app desktop and then just go ahead, click on the first link, which is the official link. Just click on it and now this web page will pop up for you. Just scroll down, click on download now, as you can see. And one thing you need to do is to have BlueStacks downloaded for the app to work. BlueStacks is an Android emulator, as you can see now, because this app is for Android and you need an emulator for this app to work for you. So now the app is installing. After it installs, just go ahead, double click on it. And now you can see that the app is working on your PC. So this was how to download Castle app and desktop. I hope this video was helpful. As always, thank you for watching.